Yo, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Yo, listen, it's been a long time coming for this video, man. After countless comments, this video changed my life. I've caught mad pips, thank you. I've even gotten other comments asking, how do you do this in a downtrend? Can you do this short in the market? Yo, listen, I'm gonna answer all questions today. There should be nothing left on the table. I'm gonna even throw in some extra sauce. We're at 2,000 subscribers in the gang, man. Let's keep running it up. The original video has 20,000 views, right? That's 20,000 people that I personally got into touch and help out. So I'm forever thankful for that. So for this video, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all what y'all been asking for, man. Y'all been asking me, Chris, how do you do this? The flip side, in a bearish market. So that's what we gonna get into, man. Before we jump into it, we about to get to the learning shit. Y'all please drop a like on this video. I'm trying to run this shit up to 20K too, you know what I'm saying? We need everybody to see this shit. If you have not already, go ahead and subscribe. We're at 2,100 subscribers, man. Let's try to get to 3K before the year is out, right? And with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into the charts, man. I'll see y'all there. All right, gang, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm super excited about this. I truly hope this is, that complete puzzle for everybody. It's been a year since I released that last video. I know I've helped a lot of people. Hopefully this is, like I said, that last piece to the puzzle. Okay, so in my first video, I pretty much showed you how to use my quarter point strategy on an uptrend, right? Now, a lot of people had questions. Chris, how do you find a downtrend? Can you use this strategy on a downtrend? Let me answer you. All right. So first, I'm going to show you 3 ways to find what trend you're in, right? So boom, we all know support and resistance, right? If the market is ranging like this, right, it's literally bouncing off your support down here and your resistance up here, right? So, how do you find a trend? Number one, well, if I know we have resistance here and price likes to reject off of resistance, the next place it's going is to support, right? So what do you call this in the meantime trying to get to support? That's going to be a downtrend, is it not? Same for the other way. If I hit support and I'm holding support, my next target is that resistance. So this is your uptrend, right? And so on and so forth. That's one way you find a trend in the market, right? Now, let me delete that really quick. Another way you find a trend, and every example is going to be downtrends. Just, you know what I'm saying? For those who need the downtrend stuff. Okay, you have trend lines, right? Now, what does that look like? If price is bouncing off these support and resistances kind of in a downward spiral, right? Price is making lower lows and lower highs. Well, what do you have? You have a downtrend. If price comes up, hits here and goes down, here's your downtrend. If price goes up and goes down, we're continuously making lower highs. This is your downtrend, right? That's the second way you find the trend in the market or a downtrend. Now, another thing, you see this yellow line. This is your moving. This is called a moving average, right? I have a 200 EMA on my charts. So basically what this looks like, it's a dynamic support and resistance, right? So it's moving with the charts. So when price is above this yellow line, right, this EMA, that tells me that that the market is trying to move up, right? As you see right here, right? If I go in the past, Oh, excuse all this Fibonacci, right? Excuse all of this. If I go in the past, right, and price is under, hell, I'll just use this. Price is under right here, right? I'm looking for sales. I'm in a downtrend, right? So on and so forth, right? So that's pretty much the gist of how you're going to be finding what trend you're in. Obviously, there's multiple variables, but that's pretty much the basics. Now, I'm going to go ahead and go to my chart. And I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but this strategy I use on GJ. I'm not going to confirm if you can use it on every other pair, but this is my pair. This is what works. This is my strategy. All right. So, let me go ahead and go into replay mode. Let's see. I haven't I'm just randomly doing this, right? So, for the example I just gave you, right? You have this gray area here is a resistance, right? And we know that because price came here and rejected off of it. Sorry, y'all, I'm getting a phone call. Price came down here and rejected, right? So that's our support. So I'm just gonna, for the sake of the video, I'm gonna go ahead and come over to where price is starting to reject again, right? So let me go ahead and go to the hour time frame really quick, right? Bear with me. Oh wow, look, I have that marked up. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in full screen. So okay, cool. Actually, let me go to the 15-minute time frame. All right, so obviously I had this marked up. So we were in an uptrend over here, right? As we broke through this little uptrend, it's kind of confirming that now we can look for a downtrend, right? However, we're still in this gray zone. You know, I go over shit like this in my course, not just shameless plug. But anyways, we're still in this zone, so I'm trying to wait for us to come below this gray zone, right? So boom, let's go ahead and move forward, right? Okay, boom, we got a nice little double top up here. Okay, cool. We're breaking below this trend line, right? So here you have it. We're breaking below this trend line, right? We're at a major resistance up here. Now we can go ahead. We've broken below. We're retesting this quarter point of 171.75. And guys, if you don't know how to mark your quarter points, go watch the first video over again and take notes, right? So boom, every entry will be taken at a quarter point. So what does that mean? For instance, our entry price, 171.75 is a quarter point. Our stop loss will always be 25 pips. Now, I'm about to show y'all, right? In the first video, I showed you how to catch 25 pips. I'm going to add a little seasoning on here. I'm going to show you how you can catch 25 to 75 pips every single time, right? I'm not going to sit here and say my strategy is flawless, but you're going to go in profit 99% of the time. Excuse me, I need some fucking water or something. All right, so we're now retesting, right? We're at a quarter point. We have a 25 pip stop. We have 75 pip target. Let's see what happens. 25 pips immediately that you just caught, right? 50 pips immediately you just caught. This is during London session, by the way. So if you notice, At the bottom down here, it says 4 a.m., 5 a.m. So this is where momentum comes in for GJ, right? Okay, boom, right? We're up 50 pips. You could trail your stop loss every time, right? Now that's to your discretion. I'm not going to give you a specific place, but you can trail, right? So boom, right? We hit 50 pips. We come back up. Now we're testing this QP quarter point of 171.50. Now let's say you got out at 25 pips. This is a possible re-entry for you. But what I'm showing you is how you can hold or even stack positions, right? You can stack positions. Actually, I'm not, that's too much sauce. I'm not going to do all that. But anyways, right? So now it just retested this QP. All right, we're going. Okay, boom. You just hit 75 pips, right? Y'all see I had to hold back. I almost went in a little too much. You know what I'm saying? You could stack this shit too, man. I'm trying to tell y'all how to hit 6 figures trading, right? Now, my only discretion with this trade is the fact that we were up on top of the 200 EMA. Right now, it's not the biggest deal breaker, but it can be a confluence. Now let's keep on going. Right? Market's dropping. Okay, what do we have here? We drop. We have a retest, right, of this QP of 170.5. I can't wait to put this shit out. Okay. 170.5. Stop loss 25 pips. Profit 75 pips. All right. Now let's see what happens. 50 pips immediately, right? This is during New York session. This is 10 a.m. 50 pips immediately, right? Now, I would personally be trailing my stop loss, right? That's to your discretion, wherever you want to put your stop loss, right? You have a retest here. You have a retest there. Came back to entry. I know this shit is going to be a minute because we're like way into New York, like 5 p.m. type shit. Hold on. All right. Anyways, you've hit your 50 pips. That's the gist of it. Okay, cool. Is that 75 pips? Now it takes some fucking balls to hold your fucking trade this long, but I'm trying to tell you how the fuck you make 6 figures trading, right? You either gonna wait or you not, right? But there you go, 75. I'm now up 150 pips, right? This is what, in a day, right? All right, now let's keep going. Let's keep going. Okay, boom. That was just crazy quick. So, boom, right? We could have taken this entry because it's a retest, right? Ultimately, you would have almost got 25 pips, then got stopped out. We could have taken this entry, right? Been up 25, 50. It's really up to you, but my thing is, once I complete a trade, 75 pips, I only want to take another entry under this, right? I don't want to keep playing and ranging in the same zone, right? So, boom. Okay, we take an aggressive entry here. Next 15 minutes, this is during New York, pre-New York, you're up 25 pips. You could trail your stop, whatever you want to do. Yes, it came back to entry. Like I said, you could do whatever you want to do. You're now up 50 pips, right? There you go. Wait, hold on. Why is it 58.6? My bad, y'all. Okay, now there we go. I didn't put the right measurements. Okay, up 50 pips. Let's see what happens. Back at entry, I would hope you had caught some fucking, pips, something, right? Like I said before, this strategy, you're going to always see profit, right? Like guaranteed. So yes, this came back up after hitting over damn near 60 pips. There's no reason you should be hitting a stop loss after seeing 60 pips, right? Also, now you can, like I told y'all before, you can kind of see that we're like, you know, on a downtrend, right? If you're using a trend line. Now let's continue. What is that? 75, 150. Hey, I'm counting this as fucking 50. So that's 200. Let's keep going. All right. Hell, I may even just stop it right there, cause. Okay, cool. We'll just do like one more example, I guess. All right. So, matter of fact, put this shit over. Yeah, put this to 50. Fuck, we not even gonna make it seem like we lost anything, right? So, boom. 75, 75, 50, 200 pips. Here we go. We're just gonna do one more example. As you can see, price started to come back up, right? We tested this EMA, rejected. Tested this trend line, right? Rejected. We've broken through this little mini bullish push, right? Now we're retesting this quarter point. This is our first quarter point we're retesting. So let's see what happens. Like, y'all, I'm not even playing, bro. If you ain't bought the course, I don't know what the fuck you been waiting for. I hope you ain't been waiting a year for this shit. But, oh my God. 25, 50 fucking pips. Don't tell me 70. 75 fucking pips. Are you serious, gang? Let's do the math one more time. 75, 75, 150, 200, 275. And I'm out of here just like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, y'all. I'm not bullshitting. I'm not bullshitting. This is what I do every fucking day. I've been trading GJ for years, man. My strategy is flawless. Flawless. You're going to see some type of profit every single time. I don't care. Right? But if you enjoyed that video, man, please go ahead and give a like, man. Comment. Let me know something. Are you about to run it up? Are you about to finish the year off strong? You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all. This is for 2,000 subscribers, man. Let's keep running it up. The more y'all show love, the more I can show love, all right? But with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, man. It's 10 p.m. It's Sunday. Market's already open. But I'm about to get ready for London session. And, yeah, man, y'all keep being great. Stay blessed. I'm out of here.